Hello everyone, you're welcome to FRANKA'S kitchen today. How you all doing? So today we are doing moin, corn and ripe plantain moin, and here is my 1 cup of corn, and I have tomato, just one seed. I have half pepper, and then I have 1 bulb of onion, 1 paprika red, and then a handful of crayfish. So what I'm gonna do first of all, I'm going to crush the corn a little because it was not soft like I wanted. Yeah, and there is my plantain. The ripe plantain that we're going to add. It has to be ripe plantain. So the water that I poured in, I did not allow it to really get to the top so that it will be thick. So we're going to crush it and then we enter into the blending properly. Now I'm going to be adding the ripe plantain. Let me hot wash and put it inside. No. So we're done. See? So among everything, I did only 5 and left the rest in the refrigerator or in the freezer. Yeah, I just want to do this one for us to eat and have a leftover whenever I need more. So here is our corn moin. If you can recall, I added the plantain to it. So this is very tasty. There is a way that the corn combined with the plantain, with the dodo, they actually gave it an heavenly taste. Yeah, this is actually the second one I'll be eating. Please, if you've never tried corn moin, please do. And when you are eating it, when you are doing it or prepare it, don't forget to add your plantain. The plantain takes it to another level entirely. So I want to say thank you for stopping by on my channel today. Thank you for clicking on the play button. Hope you share the video and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.